Alright, good day. In this video, we will try to show you how to troubleshoot your PS2 if you encounter some issues setting it up. We hope that this video should be able to assist you. Alright, let's start with the situation where for example, your PS2 doesn't load the games automatically. The PS2 sets that we have usually is defaulted to the game list already. You don't have to press anything. It should show the games from the start of the PS2. When that doesn't happen automatically, it may be that the memory card is not inserted. That's number one. Alright, not inserted or not inserted properly. So I have here a memory card. You have to make sure that it is plugged in properly on the slot 1. Okay, so if it doesn't load, just try it again. Okay, plug it there firmly. Okay, that's one. Number two, my PS2 is not showing anything on the screen. I'm using meron akong HDMI adapter or HDMI converter. My PS2 is not showing anything on the screen. Now, the reason for that usually is when we plug this adapter. Usually the setup, if you follow our setup guide, or if you didn't follow our setup guide, you would assume that this will go straight here. Okay? Then the HDMI is going out to your TV from this. What's missing is this cable. Okay, this is also included on the package. So you have to plug this in on the adapter. Okay, on this side, and then plug it on any USB port that you can find. You can use your phone, but conveniently you can use this one, this side. Right? See? Okay. Then turn on your PS2. Okay. So hopefully that should solve the problems with the video output. We do test this before shipping out, so we are guaranteeing that it should work. Okay, next. On the PS2 Slim, just in case you have everything set up, there's video on your TV, and then you are shown the OPL menu or Open PS2 Loader menu, but there are no games on the screen. For the PS2 Slim, usually this is caused by the hard drive not being inserted firmly. So what we're gonna do is plug everything back again. Okay, or try the other port. Okay, it doesn't matter which port, but we prefer the one on the left, the leftmost one. Okay, but either should be fine. Or this side is not inserted properly. Okay, usually we provide an extra cable for you just in case you do damage this, so just for extra safety for you. Okay, so hopefully that should solve your problem. And then lastly, for the PS2 fan, usually this is for the premium models. The slim ones usually are the deluxe models. Okay, for the premium models, for example, everything is hooked up correctly. The OPL, the free MacBoot logo is showing up on the start of the screen, but you don't see any games. That's the thing, no? Despite your item being properly packaged, we do make sure that our items are packed properly for your safety, for your item safety. Sometimes we don't know how the courier handles the item. Maybe they toss it around, they bump onto it or sit on it. We don't know. That's why we put extra protection inside and outside. Okay, but sometimes things get shaken up too much from the inside, hence we don't see any game. Alright, so in this video, in this part of the video, we will show you how to reset or reseat the hard drive of your PS2. Okay, we will try to at least. So you will need a few things, preferably if you have a flathead screwdriver like this, or some coins, or even if you don't have coins, or even a key. Okay, specifically the back of the key. So let's start. So this is our PlayStation 2 console. On the back side of your console, you're gonna see several screws, two screws, okay, one on the left and one on the right. So the 1 peso coin should fit in nicely on those screws. We want to remove these screws. Actually, you can remove the screws. You can undo them or loosen them. Okay, you can loosen them by twisting, screwing it to the left. See, the key should work fine also, but the preferred tool for this is the flathead. Okay, I'm gonna do this right here. Turn it to the left, then this one, turn it to the left. If you feel that the slot is already loose, you can now pull out your hard drive, the hard drive adapter. Gently. Alright. The hard drive actually should come out with it. So for this sample, the hard drive is still inside. So that's what happens when it gets shaken up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull it out or shake it. Let me see. Okay. Alright. Your hard drive might look different from this one, but the process should be the same or similar. Okay. Okay, on this side of the PS2, we're gonna see the connecting port. Okay, your adapter here actually goes into there, and these two ports should go to your hard drive. Okay, on this video, this is an IDE type hard drive and an IDE type adapter. Usually we include the SATA type, which is the modern one, but the process should be similar. Okay, all right, so let's reseat the hard drive. First, ready your PS2 console on the side. Take your hard drive adapter or network adapter as we call it, then align your hard drive pins and slots carefully. Make sure it is snug and fit. It should be flush and flat, but not too much. Okay. Next, we will slowly insert it back to our console on the expansion bay. It should go in smoothly until the end. Okay, where it will meet some sort of resistance. Take note of the port. Okay, make sure that it is aligned before you push it all the way, or you risk damaging the port. Okay, so in my case, I'm holding it. If there's any tension, just keep pressure on that side and then screw it back. Okay. If on your console you see some cushions like double-sided tape, that is for safety, so the hard drive doesn't jiggle too much around. Okay, let's tighten this up. So once it's tightened, don't over tighten it or you will might damage the screws. Okay, so once it's plugged in firmly in place, put back your memory card, connect your AV cables or HDMI adapter, plug into your power source or your AVR included, and try again. Hopefully that should solve your difficulties. Alright? If your experience is different from what is expected, please do not hesitate to message us. Alright? Again, thank you. Have a good day, evening.